You know what? People are still fixing Google Pixel XL 2, which is actually the very old one, but still people want to fix it. So let's heat up and remove the screen. So be careful on the corner because there is screen has a glue on the corner. So I'm opening the first time. I have no idea what is inside. So I'm very careful. Oh, it has nothing. It has a screw. It's kind of Motorola theme, and it has just two connector up and down. After removing that plastic pieces, I'm disconnecting the connector. So here is the new screen. So let's take out from the packing. Look like it's a refurbished screen, but luckily I get it. So after putting connector back, first I'm just gonna check it, make sure the screen is working, then I'll put the adhesive tape. Yeah, it turns on, touch is working, it has a nice wallpaper. And after putting the adhesive tape and connector, so it's still turning on, but I think I should put some glue on it, which normally I don't do, but I think it has a curve, so I should do that. So I'm just putting that glue. After put all glue on the sides, and in the middle I just put the adhesive tape, which I'm removing right now. So all tape has been removed, and that's the plastic thing. So let's put a screen onto the body. So this is a curved screen, so just start from the one corner on the up and then align the other corner. So when you see that corner, then make sure the both top corners are aligned, then put the other whole screen. Otherwise it's very hard to take out. So let's clean the glue which is coming out from the corners. And yeah, if it's not removing, so use the alcohol a little bit, but it's good now. So the touch is working, everything, and it's good. Thank you.